Welcome to this beautifully updated home in a sought-after neighborhood, offering the perfect blend of comfort and functionality. The large kitchen boasts modern finishes, ample counter space, and an open layout, making it perfect for entertaining family and friends. Its seamless design enhances both style and functionality, creating a welcoming space for cooking and gathering. The first floor features 3 spacious and inviting bedrooms, each designed for comfort and versatility. 2 well-appointed bathrooms provide both style and convenience, ensuring a seamless living experience for family and guests. Downstairs, the spacious basement offers endless possibilities. Perfect for extra storage, a home office, a workout space, or a cozy retreat for relaxation and entertainment. Outside, the spacious deck is perfect for gatherings or relaxing. The half-acre lot offers ample space for outdoor activities, gardening, or expansion. A storage shed adds extra convenience, and the oversized garage provides plenty of room for vehicles and equipment. Don't miss this opportunity. Schedule your tour today.